So today I'm going to do this spaced out eye makeup look and draw flowers inspired lot by dried pressed flowers. So keep on watching. I have already prepped my base and adding some blush and bronzer to bring back the warmth and flush of color to the face. Next, setting up my eyelid with a concealer. And I'm just going to start with my eyeshadow by creating an outline winged out at the end and just right above the crease. Along with this line with a small brush, adding a dark purple eyeshadow in tapping motion to build intensity and just buffing it out with a lighter purple shade and making sure everything is blended. I'm using another brush to intensify the darker purple shade and then going back and forth with the lighter purple shade to make sure everything is blended. Key is to build the color little by little and using soft hand motions to blend everything out. And right above the crease line, I'm just adding a darker brown shade to create that ombre kind of effect. And then using some micellar water and a flat brush, I'm just going to clean out the cut crease. And add some concealer back and set it with some powder so it doesn't move. So you don't have to worry if it's very messy, you can just clean it out later. Next, to create these flowers, I'll be adding a dot and just outlining the petals, and then I'll be shaping the flowers along with. I'm using a very fine detailed nail art brush used to create these detailed out looks, and I'm going to draw out all the flowers in a similar way. And using an eyeshadow, I'm going to set it and create some shadows and highlights on the flowers. And adding some cute freckles on my face using the same water-based eyeliner. And right at the outer edge, I'm creating this outline around my cut crease. And then I'm just adding some mascara to my lashes and some blush to intensify the cheekbones, and using the same blush over my lips and using a nude lip liner to outline the lip. And using a nude pink color for my lips. And lastly, adding some gloss to it. And that's the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did. And I hope to see you guys soon. Don't forget to take care of yourself. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Femina.